Today in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Etsy store to Facebook Shops. I'll show you how to do it in a very simple and quick manner, so make sure to watch the entire video to understand the entire process. So let's begin. To connect an Etsy store to a Facebook shop, go to Settings and then select Facebook Shops. It is shown here that we must first go to the Facebook Business Manager, then to the domain page, where we must enter the domain name in the format shopname.etsy.com. In place of the shop name, write your store name, in my case DigitalShark, so it will be digitalshark.etsy.com. Now, in Facebook Business Manager, we must select the domain page, which can be found under the Brand Safety option. Then, click Add to create a new domain. Put your domain name here, then add. As you can see, it is not verified, therefore, to verify, copy this meta tag and paste it here on Etsy, then connect. Our Etsy store is connected to our Facebook shop. As the final step, we must verify our domain on Facebook Business Manager. To verify, please click here. Finally, our Etsy shop is completely integrated with Facebook Shops. I hope I was able to assist you properly. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section, like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.